Students, happy morning. Now we are going to see lesson 3, book back 1 mark and 1 or 2 sentence. Okay. Now page number 54. Page number 54. First Roman, fill in the blanks. First Roman, fill in the blanks. For A, the dash are fold mountains found in Europe. The dash are fold mountain found in Europe. Alps. What answer? Alps. A-L-P-S. Alps. B. Now, Mount Dash is a volcanic mountain found in Italy. Again, Mount Dash is a volcanic mountain found in Italy. Answer: Vesuvius. V-E-S-U-V-I-U-S. Again one time. V-E-S-U-V-I-U-S. Vesuvius. Now see, the dash refer to the volcanic region around the Pacific Ocean. New Zealand, Japan and Philippines. New Zealand, N-E-W, New Zealand, Z-E-A-L-A-N-D, New Zealand. Japan, J-A-P-A-N, Japan. Third one, Philippines, P-H-I-L-L-I-P-I-N-E-S, Philippines. Okay. Now D. Dash plateaus are found at the foot of mountain. Dash plateaus are found at the foot of mountain. Piedmont. Piedmont. What answer? Piedmont. P-I-E-D. Piedmont. M-O-U-N-T. Piedmont Plateau are found at the foot of mountains. Now E. The Colorado Plateau is in the dash. The Colorado Plateau located in United States. What answer? United States. Spelling U-N-I. United. T-E-D. Ted. United State. S-T-A-T-E-S. United. Now, second Roman. Choose the correct answer. What? Choose the correct answer. First one, Mount Everest, the highest mountain above sea level, is in dash. Again one time question. Mount Everest, the highest mountain above sea level, is in dash. China, Nepal, India. Mount Everest, the highest mountain above sea level, is in Nepal. What answer? Nepal. Now B. Peruvian plateau is an example of intermontane plateau. What answer? Intermontane plateau. Because fold mountain located Himalaya, continental plateau, Australia. But here Peruvian plateau is an example of intermontane plateau. Intermontane plateau. Second answer. Now C. The Grand Canyon is found in dash. The Grand Canyon is found in dash. Answer North America. C answer North America. Now D. Piedmont means dash in French. Piedmont means dash in French. Foothill, footpath, football. What answer here? Foothill. Piedmont means foothill in French. Okay. Now E. The dash plateau is an example of a Piedmont plateau. The dash plateau is an example of Piedmont plateau. Malwa. Answer Malwa. Now page number 55. Third Roman. Match the following. Match the following. Column A and column B. Column A question, column B answer. First A. The Rockies. The Rockies located in North America. What answer? North America. Now B. Horst. Horst is one of the block mountain. One of the block mountain. Third B answer. Now Africa. Africa. Africa's located diamond mine. So answer diamond. Answer diamond. Now D. Debate. Debate. Rooftop of the world. Rooftop of the world. It is located China and India border. Tibet, rooftop of the world. Now E answer. The Western Plateau. The Western Plateau. Answer Continental Plateau. Continental Plateau. Again one time answer C A B E D. C A B E D. Now fourth Roman, answer the following question in one or two sentence. Again answer the following question in one or two sentence. Now J. Question. What factors led to the formation of mountain? Again one time. What factors led to the formation of mountain? Answer. Mountains are formed by the constant upward thrust of internal forces. Mountains are formed by the constant upward thrust of internal forces. Mountain. M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N-S. Mountains are are formed F-O-R, formed, M-E-D, med, formed by B-Y, the T-H-E, the constant, C-O-N, constant, S-T-A-N-T, constant, upward, U-P-W-A-R-D, upward, toast, T-H-R-U-S-T, toast of, O-F of, internal, I-N, T-E-R, ter, N-A-L, null, internal forces, F-O-R, for C-E-S, forces. Now, B question, how are fold mountain formed? How are fold mountain formed? When massive slabs of solid rock are pushed up, they fold and rise up, forming fold mountain. Again one time. When massive slabs of solid rock are pushed up, they fold and rise up, forming fold mountain. When W-H-E-N, when massive, M-A-S-S-I-V-E, massive, slabs, S-L-A-B-S, slabs of, O-F of, solid, S-O-L-I-D, lid, solid rock, R-O-C-K, rock, solid rock, R-A-R-E-R, pushed up, P-U-S-H-E-D, pushed up, U-P up, they, T-H-E-Y, they, fold, F-O-L-D, fold, and, A-N-D, and, rise up, R-I-S-E, rise up, U-P up, rise up, forming, F-O-R-M-I-N-G, forming fold mountain, F-O-L-D, fold mountains, M-O-U-N-D-A-I-N-S, T-A-I-N-S, mountains. Now, C. What is the question? What is the Pacific Ring of Fire? What is the Pacific Ring of Fire? The Ring of Fire is a major area in the basin of the Pacific Ocean where many earthquakes and volcanic eruptions occur. The T-H-E, the ring, R-I-N-G, ring, O-F of fire, F-I-R-E, fire, I-S is a major, M-A-J-O-R, major area, A-R-E-A, area in the basin, B-A-S-I-N, basin of the Pacific Ocean, P-A-C-I, Pacific, F-I-C, Pacific Ocean, O-C-E-A-N, ocean, W-H-E-R-E, where many, M-A-N-Y, many earthquake, E-A-R-T-H, earthquake, Q-U-A-K-E-S, earthquakes, and A-N-D, and volcanic, V-O-L-C-A-N-I-C, volcanic eruption, E-R-U, PTIONS eruptions occur. OCCUR occur. Now D. What is a plateau? What is a plateau? A plateau is a flat topped land on a raised surface. A plateau is a flat topped land on a raised surface. A. Plateau. PLATEAU. Plateau is a flat 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 topped TOP top PED put topped land 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 on 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 a raised 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 surface SUR sur FACE surface. A plateau is a flat topped land on a raised surface. Now E question. What are intermontane plateaux? What are intermontane plateaus? Give example. Give example. Answer. Plateaus. PLATEAUS. Plateaus that border fold mountain ranges are called intermontane plateau. Again one time. Plateaus that border bold mountain ranges are called intermontane plateau. Plateaus. PLATEAUS. Plateaus that that border 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 fold 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 mountain 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 ranges ranges GES ranges are ranges are called 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 intermontane mountain turn intermontane plateau PLATEAUS plateaus. Example. The plateau of Tibet. The plateau of Tibet. The plateau 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 of Tibet TIBET Tibet. The Colorado Plateau in the USA. The the Colorado COLO Colorado Plateau 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 in the US. Students, now take a classwork. Heading Lesson 3 Landforms of the World Mountain and Plateau. Landforms LAND Landforms FORMS Landforms of 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 THE the world WORLD world, mountains, 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 and and plateaus, plateaus, mountains and plateaus. First Roman keyword, use black stick. Keywords, keywords, keywords. First Roman keywords. First one, mountain, moun, mountain, tain, mountain. Second one, Nepal, Nepal, Nepal. Third one, plateau, plateau, plateau. Fourth one, Australia, Australia, Astra, Lia, Australia. Fifth one, Tibet, Tibet. Sixth one, volcanic, volcanic. Seventh one, United States, United, United, United States, States. Eighth one, Pacific, Pacific. Ninth one, ring of fire, ring, of fire, fire, ring of fire. Tenth one, Mount Everest, 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 rest, ever. Now second Roman, mind map, mountains. Mountains has three types: fold mountain, block mountain, and volcanic mountains. Fold mountain, block mountain, and volcanic mountain. Students, after finishing, take a photo, send through the WhatsApp. Okay children, thank you.